Using the handicap sheet here for 2022, on the first page, only the columns in red will need changing. So current factor, of course, comes from Golf Canada. The start factor, you'll just have to put that in at the first of the year. And of course the different numbers for the flights. On this sheet, of course, we've got the names. The flight you'll see is an automatic calculation, and it's based on the numbers that are here. So flight A goes up to 24.0, B, C, so on. The handicaps are calculated from Golf Canada the way they do it with the average slopes and the ratings and so on. You can see the calculations there. You'll never have to change them. In fact, I prefer to hide these columns because you don't want to change anything there. And based on those calculations of slope and rating, you'll see that these match Golf Canada for the red tees. Once you have the start factor in there, I would just hide that one too, because you won't need that until the calculation for the most improved. So we can even hide that one too. Right now, the ones in green have nothing in Golf Canada. These in green are what the ladies indicated on their sign-up sheet. I put them in there just to use for the initial calculation of flight factors. These will have to be changed once they do have a handicap in Golf Canada. These ladies had numbers in Golf Canada, so they're okay. Right now, Diane McDonald is not in Golf Canada for some reason, but I had picked her up from last year. The other sheets in here is factor. This is the one that we will send out to ladies, so it's already formatted. The only thing you have to do on here is change the month as needed. So it'll be, June 1, July 1, so on. And then you'll just have to print it. You can print to a PDF and to send it out. Now calculating the factor ranges is on this factor calc sheet. I've put some notes, copy name and factor and flight from 22 page, paste the columns in here and so on. So we'll give that a go. So take what we have here currently, and because the flights were calculations, we want to paste these as just a value. We don't want the calculations. So it's either right click and paste special there, or you can go under here and paste the values. From here, what we're going to do is sort them. So these little drop downs will sort by the column. So if you wanted alphabetic, you would click on there. So we're going to sort by current factor, and we want smallest to largest. From there, we're going to copy this to the next column because we want to play around with it a little and see where we're at. Okay, we're just going to ignore these for now. Also, for the purpose of this video, we're going to ignore these last few because we don't know where to put them as yet. Probably the best thing to do is contact them now and ask them what their score usually is, so we can at least throw some kind of number in there. So, if they're usually shoot 100, I would put them in at about a 30 handicap, whatever the difference is between par and what they shoot. Normally this isn't a problem, but there's just a few too many ladies and it would make a difference in our flights. Let's delete them for now. So how many have we got? So we've got 80. So if we take the first 20, you can see down here, count of 20. That's a nice even 24. So that works for the A's. The B's, let's look at the next 20. 29.4. So we could go 29.5 for B's. Let's see how we look for C's. Now, because that one starts at 35, I would cut this one off at 34.9. Make a note of this one up here too. So 29.5 would be a good cutoff. And the A's were going to be 24. And that takes the D's from 35, it'll be down to 54. So 24, 29.5, and 34.9. So we go back over to 2022. So we're already at 24. That's how we ended up last year. These numbers won't change very much. Then 29.5. And I think we were, what, at 35 for that one? Oh, sorry. This should be 29.6. No, that's right. 29.5. The C's, they start at end at 34.9. And of course 54. So as you'll see on your factor sheet, it's picked up the numbers. And so A is 0 to 24. Then we just add 0.1. So we're 24.1 to 29.5. Add 0.1. So we go to there. And 35 to 54 will be the D's. So that's it for the month of May. Report number 2, this is an old report we used to post on the bulletin board, but we don't use it anymore. I've left it in there in case it's ever needed, but it's basically a manual sheet. I have to change these numbers and copy and paste ladies in here. I don't think it's necessary. So that's it for the handicap sheet. Any questions? You know where to find me. Thanks.